Today's unboxing video is going to be what's inside this box, and if you check the title out, you probably know. It depends how I did the title. You might not. It might be a total surprise. So let's just jump into it. I picked this up. This is ECCPP right here. That's the name of it. I don't know if it's made in Japan, China, or wherever it is, but at the price, I would suggest it is not made in the USA. So let's go ahead and open it up. I done came prepared, got a knife. Try not to cut yourself when opening boxes. Maybe I should got a better knife. This knife is also made in China. I just noticed that. Not saying China don't make good products, just saying it's hit or miss. Oh, sometimes they do. Okay, we should have it. Now it does got these little staples in it, but I just tug on them, they come loose. And inside is where the magic is. Wow, the boxing of this and the quality of the boxing of this, guys, is amazing. You have to check this out. Wow. We have bolts everywhere. And if you don't know what they are yet, you about to when I unbox them. And even smashed through right here, you know. Good packaging. Oh, they heavy. That's a header, guys. Give me. Oh, it smashed through the box on this side. Oh, look at these. These are pretty heavy and pretty nice. Now, these are for the second gen Camaro. Oh, definitely good quality on the steel. Oh, bolts is falling out of them. But, yeah, these are for the second gen Camaro. I'll tell you more once we get them on the table. So now it's time to dig on deeper in the box. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The bolt, the bag's supposed to came in. Nine. Should be 12 bolts. Okay, 2 bolts is missing out of this. Had to buy bolts, but here's the bolts. It should be 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it should have 12. Does 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 bolts. So missing 3 bolts. Bolts are not the end of the world though, so we can buy some. Not even good header bolts, guys. We are missing 3 of them, and yeah, you would have to use Loctite with them. These would constantly back out. I ain't no use in using these as header bolts. So let's talk about the header gaskets. They just kind of got that stock aluminum feeling gasket. They ain't really steel. They kind of like a soft aluminum that they crush in. Now on headers, I highly recommend either using double gaskets because sometimes they blow out good, especially with bolts like that. You probably drive it 15 miles and bolts are back out and you're gonna blow a gasket. You can use silicone on headers. In my next build, that's what I'm going to be doing on the C30 build at least. 1 out of 10 on the gaskets, they have to be an 8. 1 out of 10 on the bolts, they have to be a 1. They're just a bolt. Now, if these headers would work on my 1986 C30, I'd be using these, but these headers was bought just for the 79 Camaro conversion that we have been doing into a 70s Camaro here on the channel. It's actually got a 350 in it with Vortex heads, you know, incorporated. Nice one in the car. I got a push rod video. It has the push rod drill to lock on. And I got that video in the description below if you want to check out that damage. Yep, a lot of people's been enjoying that video. But anyway, we decided, since it's pulling head studs out of the motor and it's tossing lock arms, you know, the heads can't handle the cam that's in it. We could replace the heads, but why not just put a LS into it and give you guys some better content? But that being said, we needed new headers, so that's what we got. Always is should be steel, 1 7/8 tubing here into a 3-inch collector. It's exactly what these should be. Nothing too fancy, but damn, they are nice. Look at these guys. Now, one thing on cheap headers you want to check out is the weld quality, and looks pretty good. Even down inside here you want to check out. Looks extremely good, guys. I mean, I've seen better welds. Check inside the ports. Okay. This header passed. What about the other one? This would be the driver's side. I want you to put them on backwards. Yeah, it won't be the driver's side. This would be the driver's side. Go ahead, open them up. Check out the welds on this. They don't do a good job at cleaning the metal 100%, but the welds look solid enough. They come with O2 bongs. Down inside looks like it's solid and good. Around the inside is good and nice. Tacks on top a little tacky, but they just offer added security to hold them while they tack them. Oh god, they heavy. They good quality, guys. I like them. They the new headers for the second gen Camaro conversion we are building here on the channel. So if you want to know how they fit, subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for that video because we'll eventually find out very soon. Thank you for watching.